through the affiliate whisper, I actually made my first $10. And from a few hours later, I had $65 in my Warrior Plus account. Man, that was just, you know what, man, I almost brought a tear to my eye, man, because I tried so hard at this and had never made $1. But it just goes to show me that this is possible. Inspires me to carry on my journey.
Hi everyone, my name is Doug Billick. I'm from Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada, and I tried the Affiliate Whisperer yesterday and made sales totaling $52 and about 82 cents, and that took about 5 hours to do. So I'm pretty stoked about that.
Hey, my name is Stephanie Lewis and I live in Delaware. I'm pretty new to affiliate marketing, and I had the opportunity to test drive Max Gersonmeister's new program, Affiliate Whisperer, and I was amazed. I made 5 sales in a little bit over an hour. I mean, that was pretty amazing.
This is Paul. I'm from Portland, Oregon. I just tried Tom's new program, and within the first 3 hours, got 4 sales. I've never had that happen to me before. I've struggled for over 10 years now. Tom, this is the best one you got so far.
Hello, I'm Melvin. I live in Kent in the UK. I tried Affiliate Whisper. It was a great product, and virtually I got sales immediately. It was within the first hour, so that was brilliant. I don't usually make that amount of sales at all, so getting a product which gave me sales very instantly was great, so I'm very happy.
Hey, my name is Tom E, and you just watched struggling newbies who had never made a dime online suddenly make great money within hours of setting our system up with no brand, no budget, no audience, and no clue what they were doing just yesterday, all from affiliate marketing. Now, they didn't get lucky. They all simply followed the unusual advice from a quiet man named Max from Landau, Germany, also known as the Affiliate Whisperer. Now, Max got that nickname because of his remarkable ability to turn nothing into cold, hard cash over and over. Now, he's been dominating affiliate marketing and leaderboards for a long time now, making thousands of dollars where others struggle for a few dollars, leaving other marketers, myself included, confused at what his secret could possibly be, all right? Now, up until now, Max has kept his secret very close to his chest, but after some convincing, and it took a lot of convincing too, I talked him into sharing his secret system with the world. It was that secret that allowed the newbies you just saw on video to go from frustrated and disillusioned with online marketing to making money literally within hours, all of them. And if you keep watching this video for the next 2 minutes, we're going to show you how to do exactly that as well. Now, on that note, I'm going to bring Max himself on screen here so that we can get an inside look at what he does. All right, welcome, Max.
Hey guys, how's it going?
All right, so as we both know, for the past year or so, no one's been able to kick your ass in our community when it comes to racking up crazy money with affiliate marketing. So I'm going to put you on the hot seat right now. I'm going to ask you to share your screen right now and show us in real time some of your results, if that's all right with you. Does that work?
Yeah, of course. Let's do it. Let this thing move down here. All right. Yeah, guys, as you can see, I'm now logged into one of my Warrior Plus accounts, and here are some of the commissions. So the first one here, buyer click system. This is a promotion that I've done recently. As you can see, over 1,000 hops, 159 sales, and 4.2K in commissions. And I've also won some prize money as well. So this is like $5,000 that I made on this one promotion alone. And then we've got like a couple of other promotions here. 2.6K again, I won prize money as well here. The emergency kit, 2.2K, won prize money again.
Absolutely amazing. So you're saying that any newbie that follows your secret system can get results like the people that we saw, like our beta testers in this video. Is that what you're saying?
100%. Like anyone can do this. And when I got started, I had absolutely no idea. I'm just following the same steps every day. And these are the results that I get. These are the results that our students get. these are the results that you can get if you join us and you implement our strategies.
Hey, so I got a question for you. I'm dying to know what's in your Warrior Plus wallet because I know you do well, but would you be willing to share that right now?
Yeah, of course. So let me share my screen. As you can see, this is my Warrior Plus account, MaxG1209. Now I'm gonna go to Warrior Plus wallet. Now I'm inside of my wallet here, and as you can see, 181K, 3K pending, and those 3K are going to be available in 3 days from now. So 184,380 something dollars. Now, as you can see, I'm going to refresh the page, and the same number is still there. I'm going to do that one more time, and another time if you want.
Dude, sorry to interrupt you, but that is just insane. 181,000. I expected like maybe 10,000, maybe 20,000. Jeez. All right, guys, this is why they call him the affiliate whisperer. Absolute insanity. 181,000. So for those of you who are not on Warrior Plus, this is something that most affiliates cash this out after about maybe $1,000, because everyone needs the money. So just the fact that you've got it sitting in there tells us that you don't even need that much money. So this is really great. I'm glad we did this. Beautiful. All right. Thank you, Max. Now, you just saw for yourself. This is why you should listen to Max, just like our newbie beta testers did, who, again, all made money within hours of starting. Now, with that said, let's have a look inside the program. Let's see what's in the box here. So number one, we're going to hand you the secret but very simple plug and play trick that Max uses to consistently out-earn 99.99% of other marketers, crushing every single leaderboard and making tens and tens of thousands of dollars monthly. Number two, you get guaranteed approval to one of our highest earning offers. Number three, we send traffic directly to your link. Now, this is the same traffic that our newbie beta testers used, all included. You'll get hundreds of clicks, which is more than enough to see results. But we don't want your success to stop with our traffic. We want you to turn this into a full-time living for yourself. So you're also getting guaranteed leads. This way, you can continue your success independently of our traffic. All right, let's summarize. Number one, get guaranteed free approval to one of our highest converting offers. It's an offer that's already sold thousands. Number two, copy Max's secret but simple super affiliate strategy. And three, activate our free traffic directly to your affiliate link. That leaves us with four, enjoy the incredible results you'll get. Guys, that's truly how easy this is. Max's affiliate whisperer system is designed with one purpose alone: to spit out commissions and leads as quickly as humanly possible and to never stop doing so. Simply plug it in and enjoy the results. Just like the folks you saw in the beginning of the video, just like Max. No exhausting setups, no complicated training or 10-hour videos, just results. Well, I think we just about covered it all. Any closing words, Max?
Yeah, guys, I can only really say that this has changed my life, and I highly, highly recommend that you get started with it as well. I'm now traveling the world full-time, basically. In fact, I just came back from a 2-month trip to 10 countries today, and this is only possible thanks to affiliate marketing. So if you want to travel the world, spend more time with your friends and family, or do whatever you want to do, then get started today, because this is just going to make everything possible for you.
I think that says it all, guys. And right now you have the opportunity to plug into Max's incredible system so you can finally start experiencing the one thing I know you've been craving: success, financial freedom, not having to struggle anymore, finally experiencing what it's like to be a successful marketer. We would be honored if you join us on that journey by clicking the buy button below and joining us in the members area. Have a wonderful day.